This is my custom built work from home space. Stick around, I'll tell you how much it cost, materials we used, and a breakdown of the steps to go from empty space to finished product. Let's head back to the beginning. What's up everyone, it's Monday night and tomorrow we are attacking this area here. This is the study nook. Let's get set up. Half of 27.70 would be what? 13.50.85. So what I'm thinking, printer will go there. It's Tuesday morning, just finished cutting the plywood for the shelf upstairs. First time I've had to custom make a shelf around a printer. Let's go upstairs and have a look. Good morning, it's Wednesday morning, working on the study nook. We have done the little desk. This stuff's way harder. That's a planer downstairs. I love smoking. Whoa, pause. Just as much as I love smoke, I love writing down my thoughts, and I've been putting them together in a monthly email. It's a space where I talk about the experiences I've learned being in the building and business game over the last 10 years. Click on the link in the description to join up now. We've just finished dry fitting the bench top. We're going to pull it out, clean up the edges, and we'll also put some Danish oil over it. The same beech timber is going to be some floating shelves. Friend's dad owns a metalwork factory. He's bent up some brackets for us. Another idea stolen from Pinterest. Hopefully it works out for us. The timber we're using for this job is just these pre-made beech panels from Bunnings of all places. They're about 120 bucks a panel. I think what I liked is that it's the same timber that we've used on the floor, so it's a nice looking timber, good price, that all works. Hey, if you're liking content like this, we've got loads of it on our channel. Go ahead, click subscribe, you know you want to. Made some good progress. We've got the shelves on the wall, the desk is in. I'm gonna put a coat of oil over everything tonight, and we'll just touch up some of the marks we've left on the wall. And then the shelves will be complete, the desk will be complete. We just need to whitewash the ply drawer underneath. It's Thursday afternoon, time to set the workspace up. Often people like to match the joinery to the roof as well, but there's no hard and fast rules. You can make it a rainbow if you want. This is my library collection. I've had it in storage for about the last year. We've got everything from books on the guy who started Starbucks, bonsai trees, house building guides, tiny house living, and one of my personal favorites, Tools of Titans. Love the Tim Ferriss books. This is my copy of the 4-Hour Workweek. I've read it so much that the cover has fallen off. So we're going to put those on these two shelves up here. Let's set this up. Let's break down how much it cost. We used one full sheet of 20mm plywood, untreated CD face, that's smooth one side, rubbish the other side. And we used laminated beech from Bunnings, custom made metal brackets from a local metal workshop, black spray paint, Danish oil, and two amazing carpenters. It was about 45 hours of carpentry. Crazy how much projects like this eat up in time. Let's get a discussion going down in the comments below. Drop in and tell me, do you prefer working from home, in a cafe, or at the office? And if you were going to work at home, would you like a space like this? Sometimes I wonder, was it too much effort to go to design a cabinet specifically to fit this printer? But I love this printer. I've used it for a couple of years now. It suits my purposes, and it was definitely worth it for me. Jake, you want to help me build a fence on the weekend?
Mate, you're dreaming.
Come on, mate. Won't take that long.
Nah, Dad.